everyone, once again it's time for a walkthrough Wednesday. I'm Cody Swallow here at Primo RV in Carencro, Louisiana. Today we're going to show you a brand new floor plan from Keystone. This is a Cougar 355 FB or front bath. This one comes in just a smidge under 40 feet, right at 39 foot 9 inches and about 11,200 pounds on the weight. Out front you got your nice big pass-through storage up here. You've got your in-command system. This is all a color-coded wiring system that makes it easy to troubleshoot things, but it also, the in-command app you can download on your phone, and you can operate just about everything on the camper from an app on your telephone. Up front, you'll notice up here you got a big electric awning with LED lights, your outdoor speakers, and you also have a place that you can hook up the TV out front here. You've got opposing slides in the living area, so one on the front campsite, one on the off campsite. So what they did here was add a secondary awning with another LED light strip here. It does have the auto leveling on there here, and then you've got the nice solid steps as you're walking up. Come on in, let me show you the inside. All right, so here we are on the inside. Take a look. This is a nice, beautiful antique white cabinetry that they've switched over to. In the front slide, you've got your table and chairs dinette. You've got theater reclining seats. Both of these are going to have heat and massage in them. They're positioned directly across from your TV, so you don't always have that crick in your neck trying to turn and watch the television. On the back wall, you've got a tri-fold sofa that'll fold out to a queen bed, giving you enough spaces for an adult couple or a few children. Up top, you'll notice all the storage up here. Opposite side, this is on the off-camp slide. You've got your 5,000 BTU electric fireplace that's also a heater. Your television and your AM/FM radio with CD player. Behind here, nice big 50-inch TV, but you also have more storage back behind here as well. Just tons and tons of cabinet space and storage in this model. You got a nice solid surface countertops here on the island that's carried out throughout the kitchen with lots more cabinet space and storage here as well. You got these neat little pop-ups that have electrical outlets and USB ports, one on each side here. But ample space next to the cooktop to set extra things on it when you're working in the kitchen. Big residential size microwave. And you'll notice on this side of the kitchen, opposite side of your island, you got the nice big residential refrigerator with the freezer at the bottom. You got lots of pantry storage here. And then look at this. Nice little half bath back here. Pretty neat, and it's kind of hidden. So if you have guests or company over, you still have a bathroom that they can use. Let's walk up to the front bedroom here. Up front, you've got the bedroom that slides out here. Pocket door to close that off from your main living area. Your chest of drawers here. But look at this bathroom up front. All the way up front here, you've got a big actual walk-in closet. I'm standing inside the closet here. Washer dryer connections. The ones on this side, opposite side will be your dryer connection. Lots of drawer storage and space for folded clothes or for your shoe collection up here. And then when you close this off, you've got the nice vented doors here, louvered doors. Big stand-up shower. Lots of room to move around, very spacious. Got a little seat in here. Opposite side, you got your vanity and lots of counter space next to the vanity. And then a ton more drawer storage here as well. And of course your ceramic commode. This is a 50 amp coach. A little warm out here today. This is a 50 amp coach, so it does have 2 air conditioning units on it. I think we touched on just about everything. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, this is Cody Swallow at Primo RV in Carencro, Louisiana. This has been a Walkthrough Wednesday.